Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am actually getting faux locks. So a while ago when I had my black hair, I got these faux locks from this guy that makes like real hair ones, and they just look so real, and I ended up getting those and then installing them myself. But this guy lives somewhere else in a different state, and he's actually in LA. So I actually had already bought the light dreads to match my hair because I was like, ooh, I need to do dreads, light dreads, because I did black ones. So I was like, I have to do light ones. And he's actually in LA this weekend. So I booked him and we're gonna get my hair done. I already had bought the dreads already because I was planning on doing it and I was gonna do it myself again. But I'm like, hey, he's here, let him do it, let the expert do it. And I mean, I don't gotta do it, so that's even better. So yeah, today I'm going to do that. I just blow dried my hair. It's nice and blown out. Bam. My hair is so big. Sometimes I just want to wear my hair like this because I just like it. Boom. So now I'm getting ready to go head over there. So yeah, he's visiting and I'm about to go get my hair did. Yay!
Okay, so I am here and we actually started. So we're just gonna start off with braiding all of my hair up just like this. It doesn't need to be neat.
Got little bangs. Bangs. Just got it all braided up. I'm here with Ronnie.
Yes.
Ronnie Locks on Instagram.
Hello.
We got the locks over there. So you start off by just braiding the hair.
Yeah.
And then
We're gonna slide the locks on.
slide them on, and I'm gonna have some locks.
I like to use a lot of oil since it's gonna be.
Yeah, in it for a while,
Yeah.
especially the ends.
Yeah, so
Especially because my hair's
Dry
dyed.
at the
Yeah,
end.
drier at the end. It's dyed, so the ends get dry quicker.
Right. That's where all the damage be.
Yep. Just got the first one in. Ooh, it looks so good. Yes.
My profile, please. I'm not really sure how everyone's gonna react to it, but hopefully they feel my energy and I'll
Okay, we only got 4 left. 4. And we're almost to done. I just need to do my baby hairs in a little bit. We just finished.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna do my edges real quick. Ooh. Inches where? Here.
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 There.
There.
On the
Oh,
floor.
dang, gonna be in the toilet and all. I'm just kidding. Okie dokie, so here is the final look of my locks. My video was kind of like all over the place because I was just like filming on my phone, like quick clips, and then like he filmed some on his phone and then he airdropped them to me. But I just wanted to give y'all like the final look and talk to y'all about these because I didn't really talk much in my video. So basically, these are the same exact locks from the same exact person that I did when I did my black ones, and I do have a tutorial on that. It'll be linked in the description box below. I got light ones from him, and I had already bought them to install myself just like I did the last time, but he actually came to LA, and I was like, hold up, wait, you're coming to LA? Yes, all right. I need you to do my hair then. So we linked up and he did my hair for me, and look at them, like, they're so long. Let me show you. Like, what? These are so nice. These are actually way longer than my black ones. My black ones like ended here, I feel like. Yeah, these ones are like quite longer. Like these ones are down my butt. I feel like my mom. My mom's got hair this long. So yeah, he actually bleached or dyed the hair to match my hair, and it literally looks exactly like my hair, like the exact color and all. So he did amazing. His Instagram is Ronnie Locks. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here, and then I'm gonna link his Instagram below. Y'all gotta get him. He is a amazing hair artist. He literally does just locks and he specializes in it. He said he started on himself and then he started doing it on his friends and then some people he didn't know, and then boom, there we go, now he's doing my hair. But yeah. Oh, I know y'all are gonna ask, it took 5 hours to install. So he braided my hair and then installed the locks over my braids. So you just do like a loose braid, but I really like the way he parts the hair because it's not squares, as you can tell. It's like, it looks so natural. It looks like real locks. Here, let me show y'all. So you see, he does like rounded, like uneven, like different shape parts, and I absolutely love that. It just looks so natural. It looks like I have a real locks. So I cannot wait to do hair tutorials, like, you know, like lock tutorials. Like, it's gonna be so fun. Yeah, so we'll see. The last time I left my locks in, I literally can't remember, but I do know I went to Jamaica and then I went to Ibiza with my locks in, and then after Ibiza, I have a flower on my finger. After Ibiza, my hair got wet on a boat. We were on this boat and it was going whoop, 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 and water was getting everywhere and I had salt water all in my hair. You can wash them and stuff just like you do box braids, but it might take longer to dry, like really long, and then they might get smaller. So I just took them out because I can take them out and then reuse them. So that's the good thing about these, because they are real hair. You can buy synthetic ones too, he makes, but I buy the real hair ones. So once I take these out, whoop, it looks exactly like this, and then I can just reinstall them later on. So how cool is that? Yo, like, this guy is literally amazing. I just want to show y'all it far away again, but part it on the side. I actually like it like this, all of them to one side. I didn't even know that I liked it like this until this video. Okay, but yeah, so I just wanted to end this video out and tell y'all a little bit more information. And yeah, so be ready, stay tuned for some lock tutorials, like hairstyles with these, because I'm so excited and I'm just gonna be doing a lot of videos. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.